is going on, ladies and gentlemen? My name is Nick Bartel, Editor-in-Chief for Techno Warriors TV, and welcome to another unboxing video. Well, it is finally here, ladies and gentlemen, the Corsair's newest version of the VOID line product. As you can now, the Corsair VOID was an amazing headset, 7.1 channel surround, very durable, great mic. Well, Corsair has stepped it up and improved quite a bit. So now they have the VOID RGB Elite wireless instead of the VOID Pro wireless. You could still get the Pro at a really good price, but this is going to have an improved microphone, improved acoustics, and really comfy. It's still going to give you that Chuck Norris durability with the metal housing and other great things. So, as you can see here, Corsair logo. Please note this is for PC and PlayStation 4. This is not compatible with an X. This is not. I don't believe this is compatible with Xbox One. Discord, IQ software, and it shows this is a 7.1 audio. Never skip a beat. Okay, and it shows more of the same product on the side. The back is where you're going to find all the features of the product, including that it states it has several features like comfortable microfiber mesh and memory foam ear pads, a preamp custom tuned 50mm neon diamond drivers, low latency 2.4 GHz with up to 16 hours of battery life, optimized omnidirectional microphone, and enhanced 7.1 surround sound on PC. Okay, if you are on console, you will get stereo only. Okay, let's go ahead and box this puppy. So I'm going to make a small incision, and we will get this open. Alright, so in here, what we're going to do more cutting. And this is what we have on the inside. As you can see here, we have the actual headset. And you have your twist ties, you know and love, and you can also keep these and use them for your cable management inside your case. Alright, toss that to the side. Alright. And we get some things over here, which I'm just going to place here. I'm going to rip this box out of the way. And then we're going to let you listen to something really nice. Everybody likes that peeling thing, so I'll go ahead and do that for you. Alright, this is looking really sharp. Looking very sharp. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, it is fully unboxed, but wait, there's more. We have a really long micro USB cable. So USB type A to micro USB. I would have wished it was USB-C. And this little cute guy is our wireless adapter, which will allow wireless communication to the headset itself. Alright, here we get some literature, which is pretty cool. Tell you how to use the headphones. And inside this special baggie that you can use whatever you want with it after is a little pop filter for that little microphone. Give me my pop filter. Okay. Alright, and so this will just go on the actual microphone, and there's still more peeling tape. Alright, that should be all of it. And this will just go on the actual mic itself. And we just put it on like a glove. Like so. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, that is everything that comes with the Corsair VOID Elite wireless gaming headset. Thank you guys so much for watching the unboxing video of the Corsair VOID Elite wireless gaming headset. If you like this video, you know what to do. Strangle that subscribe button, slap it in the face, and pow! Right in the kisser. Make sure you stay tuned for the full video review coming very soon.